Vacuum forming machine mold installation. Install the lower mold onto the mold table. Button adjustment template. Install the mold onto the mold table. Adjust the height of the mold. Install and fix the auxiliary upper mold. Fix all sides with C-clips. Seal the gap with paper tape between molds and templates. The installation of the forming mold is completed. Now let's install the cutting die. Firstly, transport the cutting die to the designated location using a forklift. Same as the previous molding mold, after fixing the cylinder button, smoothly feed it in. The lower mold is the same as the upper mold. Adjust the height to the appropriate position.